Welcome back, editors. Today, in this tutorial, I'll teach you how to do After Effects like color grading on your phone in very simple steps. In this video, I'll also show you how to create CC and how to convert normal clip into high-quality clips using Wink. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and comment to let me know which topic you want the next tutorial on. Without any delay, let's start the video. Keep your clip ready. Go to Adjust and Set. Brightness 5. Contrast 5. Saturation 6. Brilliance -5. Sharpness 45. Highlight 10. Shadow -2. Whites 3. Blacks -3. Then go to Filters, select Enhance and set it to 39. Select Clear 2 and set it to 30. Select Flash CCD and set it to 25. Select Silver and set it to 15. Now go to Effects. Select Dreamy Glow. And adjust. Glow 10. Range 50. Size 20. Color 10. Filter 100. Now go to Effects. Select HDR2. And set Glow to 10. Export the video. Then open the Wink app. Go to Image Quality and select Ultra HD. Thanks for watching.